Today we are going to talk about the features introduced in obsolete iPhone SE with the latest iOS 13 and 13.1 update. I'll be talking about 16 new features those are included in iPhone SE with the updation of the latest iOS 13 and 13.1. The first feature is 3D touch. The 3D touch option was not included in iPhone SE because when the iPhone SE was released, there was no such feature called 3D touch and there is no hardware included with iPhone SE. But with iOS 13, Apple has introduced a 3D touch-like feature in iPhone SE. Now, if I tap and hold any icon, I can see this kind of options. You can see this kind of options. That may be any native application icon or any user installed application. You will find this kind of 3D touch feature and you will get all the necessary action option for any application. If you press and hold the settings icon, you will find the necessary toggles like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile data, battery. Now at the bottom you can see rearrange app. If you tap there, it will wobble. That means it will allow to uninstall the application. Previously, if you press and hold any icon, it used to start wobble to allow you to uninstall that application. But in this feature, you will find rearrange apps option to uninstall any application. Now, let me see the functionality of this 3D touch settings. Let me go to Bluetooth. You can see we are here in Bluetooth option. I don't need to go to the inner section of settings to toggle the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I can do it from here as well. You can see this happens. Now the next feature is 3-finger tap undo. Suppose you are typing something in your message section and you want to undo anything. You need to just tap on the text with 3 fingers, tap on the typed text section and you will find this undo option. Next is zoom in and zoom out in photos. Let's go to photos. Now you can pinch zoom in and pinch zoom out for this photos application. This is a quite useful action to find any particular photo in your photos section. The next feature we are going to talk about is create folders in iOS device. Let's go to files, then go to on my phone, and here if I press and hold any blank space, I can create new folder or scan document. I can create a new folder with new name, with any name like this. I can delete with the 3D touch option as well, or I can make a duplicate, I can make a copy, I can move it, I can get the information, I can tag it, I can rename it from the 3D touch option. Now next feature I am going to talk about is the optimize battery charging option. Let me go to settings. Let me go to battery. Let me go to battery health. Here you will find optimized battery charging. Now you can on and off or choose any option to optimize the charging of your battery to reduce battery aging. It is very helpful because the iPhone operating system, means the iOS, learns from your charging pattern how to charge your battery so that your battery doesn't get damaged fast. Next option I am going to talk about is low data mode. Let me go to settings, go to mobile data. Here in mobile data option, here you can find low data mode. Low data mode helps apps on your iPhone reduce their network data usage. You can toggle on, toggle off here. Next is screenshot the full web page. Let me go to Safari. Let me go to the Apple website. Now I will take the screenshot of this whole website that was previously impossible. Now this is possible with iOS 13 update. Let me take the screenshot. Now if you tap on the screenshot, you will find the screen or the full page option at the top of the page. If you tap on the full page option, it will take the full page screenshot. You can save as PDF to your files. Now it is saved to my files. Now if I go to files, downloads, now you can see I have taken this long screenshot of the whole web page. Now I can download large files, large applications on my mobile using my mobile data. For that, I need to go to settings. Now I need to go to iTunes and App Store. Now here I have to go to app download section. Here I can always allow, or I can select the option ask if over 200 MB or always ask option. This is for mobile data usage. Now I can even silent unknown callers as well. Let's go to settings. Let's go to phone. Now I have to go to silence unknown. Toward the bottom section, you will find silence unknown callers. If you toggle it on, it will not ring or vibrate for unknown numbers and it will be silenced. New MemoGs are introduced in iPhone SE with this update as well. Now let me go to the messages section and let me show you. This is the MemoG section. You can create new MemoGs here. You can edit your MemoGs here with their new headwear, with their new eyewear, with their facial hair, ears, mouth, nose, head, eyes. You can choose from different options to create your own MemoG. It is a nice option. In iOS 13, iPhone SE can edit all the photos and all the videos in advanced levels with its advanced tools provided. Let me show you. Let me go to photos. This is a photo. I can edit this photo with different options given here. You can see the options: auto mode. I can adjust the exposure. I can adjust the brilliance of the photo. I can adjust the highlights. I can adjust the shadows. I can adjust the contrast. I can adjust the brightness. I can correct the black point. I can correct the saturation. I can correct the vibrance. I can correct the color temperature, tint, sharpness. Various options are there to get the complete control of photo editing and video editing as well. Let me select a video. I can edit my video from here as well. All the options are given here, just like auto, exposure, highlight, just like the photo editing option. You will find a range of editing tool to edit your video as well. You can even crop your video as per your requirement. Now the most interesting change in iOS 13 is the dark mode. If I go to settings, then if I go to display and brightness option, here you can find the dark mode and the light mode for your phone. This is very helpful to view your phone at night. You can set the automatic dark mode. You can choose the action from the appearance schedule. You can find to choose the option when it will be in dark mode and when it will be in light mode. You can toggle the dark mode and night mode from your action center as well. If you go to action center, press and hold the brightness bar, brightness control bar. You can find two new options like dark mode and night shift option. For night shift option, if you click on the night shift option, it will go to the night shift mode, and if you click on the dark mode option, it will toggle between light mode and dark mode. Like this is in dark mode. If you toggle it to day mode or light mode, now this is in light mode. For this dark mode option, Apple has offered a range of wallpapers that matches the mode you have selected. If I go to wallpaper, if I choose new wallpaper, you can see these wallpapers are for both the mode. For day mode or light mode, this is a bit brighter, and for dark mode or night mode, this is a bit darker. For dynamic wallpaper section, you can find few darker wallpapers here for the dark mode. Another nice inclusion is a volume rocker display. You can see the volume rocker is now displayed in different manner. You can see the volume rocker was not like this before. And the nice animation of the volume rocker volume icon includes a nice touch with this update. Another option is the silent mode display. This is the new silent mode display. Previously, it was not like this. These are 16 beautiful features introduced with iOS 13 and 13.1 update, and all these features I got in my iPhone SE, that is the obsolete one, the obsolete iPhone from Apple. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching. Let's talk with Chandan. Have a nice one.